Alright then, hello again. This time we've actually got a running. Got the front headlamp grille on, the lights are in but they're not wired up yet. But she is running, she is a bit loud. Again, we haven't adjusted the pump yet. Well, I haven't anyway. But I'll just show you under here. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, and she's running quite smoothly. Well, first fired her up. She was vibrating quite a bit and a bit bouncy. I think as she's heated up, she's not doing too badly. So there we go, that's this for now. So everything seems to be running alright. See the fan there, running alright. There's a little bit of a chitter off the alternator. That's probably because of the brass. It's just catching on the aluminium. So I'll have a look at that and I'll probably be able to see that. Like I say, the fuel pump still needs tweaking. I'm amazed that the heater system's still working in the cab. Rockets probably need adjusting after a while, so I must only do that after 1,000 miles or so. In it, no oil drip or anything such as that. Thermostat's got up the temperature quite nicely. Down on the corner used to be a plumber, kindly bent this bit of copper pipe just for the coolant that goes onto the heater and also cools the engine. That's quite hot, but it's within operating temperature, it's not overheating. Fortunately, I've been leaving it for quite a while now, just running, just to let all the components inside sort of get to know each other and balance themselves out. We'll go on the cab. Quite noisy in here, obviously the seat boxes aren't in, so you hear a good bit of noise. That'll quieten down once the seat boxes are in. Well, probably not. Got a few of the heat temperature gauge there, just under the red. Quarter tank of fuel. That's all the crap that's still left in there. That's been in there for donkeys now. I'll put some fresh in eventually. A little bit of smoke again. Still haven't adjusted the pump, but I just want to let it run through first. And then we'll tweak the pump until it runs smoothly. Old-fashioned steering wheel, of course. Yeah, that's about it for the moment. Big crappy inside. Pencil and junk on the back. Gearbox is alright. Well, not that I know yet, because I still haven't driven the thing. I'll get the wheels sorted out because they look bloody horrendous. I've got a set in the garage, which I'll have sandblasted, and then I'll get them powder coated and they'll look lovely. There we go. Not quite in line for now, mate. But to be honest, it's just nice. I think aesthetically, just seeing it with the headlamps in, just to see it back to its old form myself. I believe there's a woman. Someone said she calls them cuddlies. Can't remember who that was now, but that's a nice name for them. But yeah, I just thought another update. I'll probably plonk this on UbiTube. And thanks for watching. Actually, I'll probably give it a few couple of revs. Yeah, I'll show you the smoke coming out the exhaust, which isn't too pleasant, but probably just some burnt fuel. Yeah, so just that particular point, I'll have a look at that. Nothing to worry about, although it does look quite bad, but it's nothing. It isn't actually bad. Just needs a tweak. That'll just be unburnt fuel passing through the exhaust. So once you get that tuned up, you know that at the exact point of combustion, all the fuel is getting burnt, so you're not actually losing any miles per gallon or fuel efficiency. So that'll all be over nice and dandy. But yeah, once again, thanks for watching. I'll just give you a little once around. She is quite nice. We're going to give her a full spruce up with some hammerite green paint. That's what she was painted when she was up in Scotland, or whoever had her beforehand. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. See you in a bit. Bye.